Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blank page in your MS Word document. So to add blank page, just click on this insert tab. Now select the area where you want to insert blank page, like after 48. So click here. Now click on blank page. So now we can see this 49 page is blank. So similarly, you can add as much blank page as you want, like you want here. So just click here. It's a page number 162 and you need 163 as blank page. So move cursor in that page and click on blank page. That's it. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to add blank page in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.